Hey guys, so just I guess I got a couple questions or some questions for you guys. Just wondering what kind of content you guys want me to put out or videos you want me to put out. If you guys want me to continue doing, like I'm going to finish off the engine builds and all that stuff obviously, but what kind of stuff you guys want to see. I'm going to start doing, I'm hoping mid-February I'm going to start working on the shorty build, so we'll be doing all the frame and all that type of stuff on that truck. Frame, suspension, all that stuff. Just want to know if that's something you guys want to see. If not, I'm probably going to post it regardless on that stuff. But like, I'm just curious if you guys want to see, more injector videos as far as flow rates and all that type of stuff. I'm going to try to do. I'm going to do a bunch of stuff on injectors, being that I've kind of learned a little bit more about them. The difference between SAC and VOC, SAC and VCO, and just curious what kind of stuff you guys want to see. Like I want to show you guys the stuff you want to see, not the stuff that I think you want to see. So I was thinking about doing some instructional videos on how to use the equipment that I have around the shop. If you guys are interested in that. I'm going to do, this week we'll be doing a teardown video on a 47RE that we're going to be building actually for my buddy Shay's truck that we did the turbo swap on his non-intercooled. His standard transmission's on its way out, so he wants to do a manual valve body 47RE for it. But just hit me up down in the comments, guys, if you got stuff that you want me to, if you want to message me on Instagram with ideas, that's fine too. It's Cutterup Rob on there. Just let me know. I'm just curious what you guys want to see. If you want me to continue what I'm doing. In the summertime, obviously there will be some more stuff. Gonna have the race truck out, be daily driving that. Hopefully we'll have the shorty done, so I can be driving that around. I want to do a little bit of racing this year. Kind of sucks for us. We're like 3.5 hours from a drag strip, so there's some traveling involved. But there probably we'll probably go down to Mexico a few times, I would imagine, do some stuff down there. But I'm just curious what you guys want to see. Do you guys, I was talking about the dyno, and honestly didn't really get a lot of feedback about that. But for my own doing, regardless, I'm going to buy a dyno. Because it's a good tool to have, and there's a fleet of videos that I think that maybe a lot of people wouldn't be interested in until they see the videos. So I can do like builds from stock to 500 horsepower and show you guys the steps that come along and what happens when you do it, where transmissions fail, where clutches fail, that type of stuff. Obviously it's not going to be a fast process because it's a considerable amount of work when you're changing turbos and changing injectors and that type of stuff. But anyways, regardless, I think that'll be something that I've never seen anybody else do that stuff. So I wanted to be able to do that stuff for you guys and show you the steps and what happens when you do this. But anyways, here nor there, I don't have a dyno yet, so can't worry about that. But if you guys can let me know what you want to see, like the type of content, I guess you would say, because I want to bring stuff to you guys that you want to see. So if you can let me know in the comments, or like I said, hit me up on Instagram, and we'll catch you on the next one.